You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? An interesting word from Mandarin. You may find some brands that are named that way, but it's originally a type of Chinese dress, a little bit like a Japanese kimono, but Chinese. Qipao is how it's said in Japanese, no, in Chinese. Qi, yes, a Q. When we write Q in English for the sound Japanese is ch, okay, so qi, pao, qipao, that's how it's said in China, or close, Qipao, and it's easy to say that way in English, Qipao. You got it, now you know. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.